Всем привет! Сегодня у нас 22-й урок с разбором видео Мистера Биста. И я хотел бы уточнить видео, момент в предыдущем видео, об вот этой интересной шутке. Did you hear about the cross-eyed teacher? Да, ты слышал о косоглазом учительне, да? То есть cross-eyed teacher. И у нас тут какой ответ? She couldn't control her pupils. Да, она не могла контролировать свои зрачки, да? Но также это немного устаревшее значение ученики, да? То есть младших классов. Поэтому такая небольшая шуточка, которую мы до конца разобрали и поняли ее контекст. Но все-таки английский юмор — это дело интересное. И давайте продолжим с нашим видео, которое у нас сегодня в разборе. Hydraulic press with Lamborghini. Да, то есть гидравлический пресс против Ламборджини. Ну, тут, я так полагаю, еще разные эксперименты.
We're about to test things.
Да, we're about to test. Мы собираемся протестировать вещи, которые никто никогда не делал до этого.
Tested before, like flattening a Lamborghini.
Да, flattening — это у нас буквально притоптать, да, буквально приравнять к полу, выровнять. Какие у нас еще здесь? Плющить, да? Наверное, здесь плющить подойдет. Расплющить Ламборджини гидравлическим прессом.
With a hydraulic press, climbing a building with a real Spider-Man suit, the world's largest elephant toothpaste experiment, filling a pool with 1 billion Orbeez, and more.
And to kick things off, we're gonna see if that brick wall can stop this train. This wall is 20 feet tall and 3 feet thick.
Да, эта стена 20 футов в высоту и 3 фута в ширину. Да, thick, ну, толщина.
It's not going down easy.
Give the orders.
Large cheese.
I hate you. Send the train. Train us. The train's coming. Will the brick wall stop the train? Oh my God. Oh my God. So the brick wall might not have stopped.
Да, может быть, кирпичная стена не смогла остановить. Да?
But later in this video, we're gonna see if 5 semi-trucks can.
But in this next experiment, I bought this car.
Built a giant ramp.
Да, я построил гигантский рэмп, да, это у нас такая трамплин.
And we're gonna see how many buses it can jump over.
И мы собираемся посмотреть, да, gonna see, насколько много автобусов it can jump over. Да, jump over — это у нас перепрыгнуть. Да, вот.
How many buses will it jump? At least 3. 4. I think it's gonna jump all 12 and go into the woods. Okay. It's coming. Oh, it went through the bus. Holy crap!
This looks like some Fast and Furious.
Да, это выглядит как будто что-то Fast and Furious, да, это у нас, помним, быстрый и яростный, но на русском это у нас форсаж. То есть как будто что-то из форсажа.
Now let's do it, but with the jet engine.
I may have forgotten to mention that the first car was just for reference. This is the real experiment.
Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, it's going way faster. It literally knocked a bus.
Он буквально knocked a bus over, да, буквально вырубил, да, столкнул автобус, да, knock — это у нас стучать, но здесь значение выключать, да, буквально переворачивать, перевернул, да.
It's over. Oh, wow. It's in the side of the bus. How does it keep doing that?
Hey, Jimmy.
Yeah?
You can't park here.
For our next experiment, we have 1 billion Orbeez.
That's a lot.
We're gonna drop Tariq's car from this helicopter to see if the Orbeez can cushion the fall. The only problem is, we haven't told him yet.
Can I borrow that camera real quick, too? What do you think that is over there?
Yo, that's my car. Wait, that's my car.
See this iPad? This is your car in the parking lot.
I literally just parked my car earlier today. Minutes later, a helicopter just picked it up.
Yeah, your car, baby!
Yeah, if I know Jimmy, he's just gonna lower it nicely.
Oh, really? Move it higher, move it higher.
This is crazy.
Keep going. A little higher. Right about there, that's good. 3, 2, 1.
No.
Drop the car.
Bro, that was a perfect
Это было идеальное, да, лендинг-посадка.
landing. That was better than me parallel parking that car.
Now let's see if Tariq's car survived. Open the floodgates.
No, come back. There's a car in there. Oh, my car. It's destroyed. Hey, tell your bumper to...
Да, скажи своему бамперу watch out, да, чтобы он смотрел по сторонам.
Watch out, it almost bumped into...
Он почти ударился меня, да, то есть мы видим здесь игра слов, bumped и бампер, да, у нас.
It almost bumped into me. No, my baby. There you go. It should be fine. Like, you don't even really need this part. This is wild.
And the best part is, this wasn't even Tariq's car. We picked up his car from the parking lot, dropped it in the middle of a random field, picked up a perfect replica.
Интересно, да, они заменили его машину, посадили его в середине какого-то поля, да,
Middle of a random field, picked up a
подобрали perfect replica, да, идеальную реплику, ну, копию.
perfect replica of his car, and then dropped that in the Orbeez.
Orbis — это у нас, я так полагаю, шарики вот эти. Ну, они так и не переводятся, ну, вот эти пластиковые.
What is happening?
This is not my car, actually.
No,
It's a replica of your car. Your car is in the field over there. I don't like you right now.
And now we're back at the train, and we're gonna see if these semi-trucks.
Да, и мы собираемся увидеть, и смогут ли эти semi-trucks, да, буквально для погрузки, да, semi-trucks, полутраки, да, или как? Полуприцепы, интересно. Грузовики, ага. Могут остановить их.
Stop it. These semi-trucks are massive. They're so big that I echo if I talk in that direction. Raise your hand if you think the train will win.
Me.
I have faith in the trucks.
We also made crash test dummies of the boys to see what would happen to them.
All right, Chandler's is secure. Do you think you'll survive?
I don't know, Jim.
Send the train! Train. Give me the train, it's coming! It's coming! So, Tariq, make sure you get that angle for us. There it is. Oh my God! Wait, all right, it might stop it. Oh my gosh, bro, it snapped it in half.
It snapped in half. Он буквально развалился пополам, да? Snapped. Это у нас. Огрызнулся, щелкать. Да, щелкнуло. Сломался, да, видим тоже.
All that remains is train. The train tore through the semi-trucks and could drag these for a couple more miles if we wanted to. Ripped them. Oh no! My boy! What's happened to him?
Gosh, the arm's gone.
Well, at least you're still attached.
Let me see if the head's over here. He's right here, boys.
Verdict.
Train won.
Everyone agrees the train won.
Hello Neighbor 2 just came out, and to celebrate, I built a scale replica of their house in real life. And we're gonna see what happens if it gets hit by a meteor. And I made realistic-looking mannequins of each of the boys.
Because I wanted to find the best place to hide to survive a meteor hitting
Да, он хочет скинуть метеорит на этот дом. Survive, да, пережить метеорит, который ударяется в этот
your
дом.
house.
You can put your mannequins anywhere in the
Вы можете поставить ваши манекены, да, anywhere, то есть в любое место в вашем доме, да, где вы хотите.
house you want. Try to survive the meteor crash. Come on in. Hello, neighbor. That's not real. It's so hard to get this body in my trunk. I think he'll be safe now. Are you hiding him on the couch?
The pillow's gonna cushion the fall from the meteor. It has to work.
You're telling me if a meteor is hurling at your house, you're gonna hide up there.
It's gonna miss this section. I'll be driving.
Let's see how many of the boys survive. Drop the meteor! Oh, here it comes. That was only one of 3 meteors.
Да, это был всего лишь один из 3 метеоров.
Somehow Carl didn't fall. This is what it looks like if a meteor hits your house. Let's drop the next one. And while we're waiting for them to raise the next meteor, I want to tell you guys about Hello Neighbor 2. It's an atmospheric stealth.
Да, он рассказывает нам про игру, которая давно вышла, в принципе. Это у нас атмосферная стелс хоррор гейм, буквально скрытая, ужасная, ужастик, да, такой, где надо стелсить. Да, это буквально так и называется, стелс-игра. Ну, в принципе, да. Скрытный стелс.
Horror game about digging up your creepy neighbor.
Digging up, да, у нас достать, да, я полагаю. Выкапывать, перекапывать. Но здесь у нас в значении, да, надо есть им, я так полагаю. Раскопать секреты вашего страшного, да, такого жуткого creepy neighbor
Secrets. That sounds scary. In this video game, you investigate a series of missing person cases in the open world of Ravenbrook. But trust no one, boys. Everyone in the game is a suspect.
Trust no one.
Not even no land. Now we have meteor number 2, but this time the meteor's on fire. Drop the meteor! My car!
Hello Neighbor 2 is available right now on PC, Xbox, Switch, and PlayStation consoles.
Oh my God! You're definitely deceased.
Ты определенно deceased, да, проиграл, умер, да, покойно, усопший.
The meteor's still smoking. Wait a minute! I'm okay! Somehow Chris survived. I am smart. We survived, buddy. Chandler, on the other hand, didn't make it. Raise the last meteor! Chandler, you're now me.
I'm rich.
Drop the meteor when you want.
Drop the meteor!
Oh, okay.
Oh my God, it's on fire.
die, Carl. Let's see if I survived. Yes!
Click the link in the description to go to Hello Neighbor 2's official website and buy the game right now.
And now you know where to hide if a meteor's
Да, и теперь вы знаете, где прятаться, если метеор идет на вас, да, буквально.
coming at your house. You're welcome.
For our next experiment, if you take this chemical and mix it with that chemical, you get elephant foam.
Угу. Вы получите elephant foam. По-моему, у нас это, видим, размер, да, пена. Ага. Elephant foam буквально пену размером с зубную пасту. Интересно. Я так полагаю, это либо реклама, либо что-то такое.
Toothpaste. In these containers is 100 times what we just did.
Hey, don't touch that bucket. Back up. I need you all to find a safe spot because this next explosion is 100 times bigger.
Standing right here. At least I'll be safe on the roof.
Dibs on the roof. Wait, Jimmy, did we get all the elephants so we can clean their teeth with this toothpaste? You're funny. When you pull Chandler, you need to run.
I'm 100% in the danger zone.
Pull! Oh my God! Keep pulling! Pull harder! Oh God!
Look at it go! It filled the entire pool. It looks like the pool's on fire.
And that is the new world record for elephant foam toothpaste.
Это новый рекорд, да, у нас. Интересно, или какое-то слоновье зубной пасты, да?
Oh, it's steamy.
I want to jump in it so bad. It's the forbidden swimming pool now.
We're officially cooler than Mark Rober.
Yeah, and so is the entire population of the earth.
You know what's cooler than this?
Nolan's mom.
You know what's cooler than Nolan's mom?
What? Next experiment.
This is Dave, a professional Spider-Man stunt double. This is a working...
Стандабл, видите?
This is Dave.
Он профессиональный стандабл, буквально дублер, да? Трюк, да, трюковой, который каскадер.
A professional
Да, мы видим, оп.
Spider-Man stunt double. This is a working Spider-Man suit, and he's gonna climb this entire building.
И он собирается, да, climb, то есть забраться на полностью, да, entire building, буквально покорить его.
Go!
Congratulations, you're 1 foot up. Are your spidey senses tingling yet?
Tingling like crazy.
This Spider-Man suit was made by Jay Laser, and the highest he's climbed with it was 200 feet. Dave's going to climb 200 feet and then climb 200 feet again up this massive skyscraper.
This is nuts.
He's right there.
Wait, he's actually right there.
Are you taking a picture? No, I want a picture.
I don't know how far I am.
I'm not gonna stop till I'm finished.
Да, я не собираюсь останавливаться till, да, до того момента, пока я не закончу.
He's literally outside the building window right now. Hey! Hey! You're halfway there!
Sound like I said halfway? This is insane.
It's starting to rain a bit.
Rain's really coming down now.
Come on.
Oh wait, did the suit stop working? Dave, do you want us to let you down?
I'm good.
I've been the real Spider-Man many times, and I don't give up. Spidey never gives up.
It looks like he's got it working again.
Bro, how's he doing this?
I'm gonna keep climbing. This thing ain't over until I'm at the top.
Just looking over the ledge to see him.
Просто смотреть, да, это за ledge, это у нас, помним, оборудование, да, выступ, то есть вот за эту штучку уже terrifies, буквально пугает меня.
Terrifies me. There's a reason this guy stunt doubles for Spider-Man. He's almost there. Dave, you're a monster. 400 feet. Dave, you are insane. Oh, he did it. Oh my God. Here's $10,000.
Holy crap.
You deserve this. When's the next Spider-Man movie?
I can't say.
All right, he's better than Tom Holland. And now the moment you've all been
Да, и теперь у нас момент, которого вы все ждали.
waiting for. Hurry up, Jimmy, it's so heavy. Can you guys move out the way?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Versus a Lamborghini. Let's see how flat it can get. And just like throughout this video, the boys are gonna see if their mannequins can survive.
This is how you deal with your school bully. The hood is the safest spot in a car.
I'll guard you, Carl.
Get the crushing! Let's go, baby!
Oh my God!
Oh! Oh! All right, well, Chandler's gone.
Okay.
No! Oh, snap. Oh, my God. Oh, wow. Oh, the windows. Yes! Oh, my God. The tires are collapsing. Wow. This is
Да, the tires, это у нас шины взрываются.
crazy. In case you're wondering, that Lamborghini doesn't work anymore.
Definitely doesn't work now.
I thought it would squish it into a pancake.
Я думал, она его squish, да, буквально сожмет его в пирог, да, вот такой супер тоненький.
So to make it up to you, let's blow up the Lamborghini.
Let me know, да, видим, как они сокращают. Позвольте мне узнать. If you want, да, видим, тоже у нас you поменялось просто на букву ее. Хотите еще глупых, да, экспериментов, и смеется в конце. То есть у нас язык бывает, да, мы знаем формальный и неформальный. Интересно, у нас такое тоже довольно короткое видео, и у нас уже скоро приближаемся к концу, да, серии с Мистер Бист, и посмотрим, что у нас будет дальше. А пока на этом все, и увидимся в следующем видео.